Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hero Starstruck on guitar. First, let's break down the main riff, which is central to the song's energetic sound. Then, we'll look at the core chord progression used in the verses and chorus. Understanding these fundamental elements will give you a solid foundation. We'll also cover a simple strumming pattern to get you started playing the song quickly and effectively. The main riff for Hero Starstruck primarily uses power chords. You'll be playing these on the low E and A strings, focusing on a driving, rhythmic feel. For the verse, the chord progression is straightforward: G, C, D, and M. Practice transitioning between these four chords smoothly. Pay attention to the timing to keep the energy consistent throughout the song. For the strumming, a consistent down-up pattern works well for Hero Starstruck. Try to keep your strumming hand moving steadily. To add dynamics, vary the intensity of your strumming. Play softer in the verses and harder in the chorus. The song's tempo is around 120 beats per minute, so practicing with a metronome will greatly improve your timing and precision. To truly master Hero Starstruck, consistent practice is key. Start by playing slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo as you feel more comfortable. Recording yourself is also incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your playing and pinpoint areas needing improvement. Remember, patience and repetition are your best friends on this journey. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.